Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is add the butter to a pan, to a pot. I've got this on medium heat, and to that I'm gonna add the onions. Okay, this is looking really good. So once the onions are looking translucent, you're gonna add in the 2 tablespoons of flour. You're gonna stir quickly because you don't want that to burn and you don't want to create any lumps as well. So to this now, you're gonna add in half of your vegetable stock. And stir this until you get a nice thick mixture without any lumps. All right, so that took no time at all. Now we're gonna add in our corn. Okay, so that took no time at all, totally easy. Now what you're gonna do is add this to a blender. If you have a hand blender or an emulsifier, that'd be really great as well. But I'm using my wonderful blender. I'm gonna put this on puree. Now if you wanna leave a little bit of the corn bits, that's fine too. You know, a little texture never hurt anybody. It also never hurt to plug in your blender. All right, here we go. Cool. All right, this beautiful pale yellow color, it's so nice. So this is gonna go right back into the pot. Don't waste any of it because it smells so good. To this mixture, we're gonna add the rest of the 2 cups of vegetable stock. You can also use chicken stock, that works as well. So now what you're gonna do is, this is gonna go on simmer for about 15 minutes, and we'll come back when it's ready. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new videos just like this one. Alright guys, I'm gonna go eat some soup and play some video games, and I will see you right back here next time on Edible Fitness. Bye!